Hey folks, I'm back for another video. This one is going to be showing you what I did to this diesel generator to get it running. And yes, it does run now on diesel fuel, not just ether. So let me turn you around and show you what I did. Alright, so here's the fuel pump, the engine fuel pump. Took that off, cleaned that out completely. Everything works now on it. Even this little adjuster knob, it works. And I told you about them. I emptied them out and refilled them. Took all these lines off, blew them out. Then I took these fittings out, blew them out, cleaned all the ports. Took that out right there. Cleaned that all up. And then you can see right here, I pulled, these lines are the same lines. And then I pulled this, it's an overflow line. I pulled that off. Took these lines off, and those are the injectors right there. Took them out and broke them apart and cleaned all the ports. Got everything moving smoothly inside and put them back together. And everything, and then yesterday I pressure washed it. It looks a little bit better, not a lot better, but I'm getting ready to start it up so you can hear it run. Is that something you'd like to hear? You'd like to hear it run? All right, give me a second. All right, here we go. Let me show you the screen here, the control panel. There's the control panel. This is your obviously preheat right there. And then that switch had to be this has got to be in the up position. Obviously it says starter. And that's got to be pushed in at the same time. This has got to be on. So here we go. Preheat it first, because this takes a while to get started. All right, that should be good. Let's see what we got. Maybe needs a little bit more preheat. It does run. All right, let's try it again. All right, that was all me. Well, I don't want to pat myself on the back, but it was all me. It was all me. I did all the work on it. I'm surprised I got it running, to be honest. I was hoping I would, but I didn't know for sure. So the only thing left to hook up, this line here, coming from the gas tank. I have another line here, this one right here. It's going to be hooked up to the same place, and it'll get hooked up to the tank right there. One is a return line, one is a feed line. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it was pretty cool to get it running after that long of not running. I think it was like at least 6 years, probably longer. But the fact that it runs and also puts out electricity is a bonus. So anyhow, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell so you get notifications of my next video. Anyhow, see you later, and have a great day.